Hello, we're back with another episode of LMScast. My name is Chris Badgett, and in this episode, we're going to be answering a question you should be asking yourself, which is, am I creating a membership, an online course, or a learning management system? So this is a big question that comes down to semantics, and people are often confused. And what I mean by that is somebody may be trying to build a membership site, or they at least think they are, but they actually are trying to build a learning management system. Or somebody might be trying to build a learning management system, but all they really need is a simple online course site or online course delivery system for their material. So let's break this up and kind of explain what all these different approaches to what seem like the same thing, but actually aren't, and kind of help you understand the landscape around membership sites, online courses, and learning management systems and how they're different. But first, I'd like to give a shout out and just thank a good friend, mentor, colleague, industry thought leader, and fellow person in the online course learning management system space, and that's Chris Lemma. He wrote a post about asking this question: am I building an online course, a learning management system, or a membership site? And depending upon your answer to that question, you're going to need different tools. So thank you to Chris for inspiring some of the ideas behind this episode. But to start off, we've always said at LifterLMS, we're kind of the next evolution of the membership site, where what we like to see is we like to see people not just trying to create a membership and stuff a bunch of content behind a paywall, but actually create an engaging learning experience for the people that come to the system. And that's always been our angle at LifterLMS, and why we've focused on creating an engagement system that makes courses more gamified, fun, engaging, and really help scale the human touch of the instructor in the online course. But let's just back up for a second and talk about a membership site. A membership site is for having content behind a membership level where you're basically blocked unless you pay the membership for a one-time or a recurring fee in order to access that material. That's a membership site, put simply. And, another membership might just be some kind of access to, an email newsletter that's not free. It's a paid membership. So it's just, a membership is a very basic thing, and you can put different types of content behind it. Online courses and, an engaging learning experience is just one example of what could be included in a membership. Or a membership could just be really simple, like I said, and just be a premium email newsletter that has a monthly fee or a one-time fee. So that's a membership. Now, an online course, or if you look at something called a MOOC, the acronym for that is MOOC, a massive open online course. These are like where universities put their courses online for the world to see, or a platform like Udemy, which brings courses to the masses. These systems are essentially just delivering an online training of some kind. They're full of, oftentimes video or audio content, perhaps some other multimedia like PDF downloads, or, lists of resources and links to external sites and stuff. So that's basically an online course. And the thing I really want to focus on here is, what's the difference between an online course and a learning management system, or LMS? So, but before I get into that, I just want to say, with LifterLMS, the online course software that we create, you can actually use it to create a membership site. You can use it to create an online course. And if you start using like a lot of the features in there and really getting into it, you're really getting into using a learning management system and doing more than just creating an online course delivery system or a membership delivery system. So the difference between an online course, or shall I say the evolution beyond an online course to a learning management system, is where you get into fancier elements where you may need to have quizzing to reinforce the learning, the gamification like we have at LifterLMS with achievements and certificates, looking at student analytics. Now we're really starting to get into the management system part of it all. You can add and remove students from courses. It's not simply just an online video course with a bunch of videos and put in a certain order. There's nothing wrong with that, and perhaps your material is caters to that just simple online course format. But when you want to get into more advanced things with your online courses, and perhaps you want to start blending in memberships too, which you can do with LifterLMS, and you want to be able to drill down and look at what is this one particular student doing, where are they at, where are they stuck, what's the last lesson completed, how many days has it been since they last logged in. These are all things you can do with LifterLMS, and these are examples of a learning management system in action. So I just want to ask you to take a step back and ask yourself, are you really building a membership site, or are you trying to build an online course, or do you need a learning management system? Now, the truth is, here at LifterLMS, our software can really cater to all that, depending upon what you're trying to do, especially in terms of creating and delivering an online course. You can do a simple online course with LifterLMS, but you can also do a more complete, robust learning management system that includes online courses with LifterLMS as well. So take a step back, and before you start selecting your software tools and the website materials and all the technology stack that you're going to need for your education project, really think about it for a second. Do you need a membership site plugin? Do you need an online courses plugin? Do you need a learning management system plugin? And which one of those are you?